Test for halogens. The presence of halogens is tested by acidifying a portion of sodium extract, that is NaX, with dilute nitric acid and adding silver nitrate. If a white precipitate is formed which is soluble in ammonium hydroxide, indicates the presence of chlorine. If a yellow precipitate is formed which is sparingly soluble in ammonium hydroxide, indicates the presence of bromine. If the formed yellow precipitate is insoluble in ammonium hydroxide, then it shows the presence of iodine. If nitrogen or sulfur has been detected, the solution must be boiled for a couple of minutes to expel HCN and H2S, which interfere with the test.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.